Let's talk about how trouble really starts. Meet Innovate Corp's successful, secure, or so they thought. One day, a hacker found an employee's name on their public website. Just a name. But it was enough to start digging. The hacker checked social media, found a company picnic photo, and spotted a whiteboard in the background. Project notes, server names. Piece by piece, the hacker built a profile, email formats from press releases, IT admins from LinkedIn, even coffee orders. Every detail mattered. This is reconnaissance, the art of gathering information before an attack. It's patient, methodical, and often invisible. With enough clues, the hacker crafted a convincing email referencing the project from the photo. The employee clicked a link. The hacker was in. The breach didn't start with a complex attack but with simple observation. This is why understanding reconnaissance is crucial. It's the first line of defense. If you know what information is out there, you can protect it. Most attacks begin with someone quietly looking and listening. That's where the real story begins. Why is reconnaissance so important? Because it's the blueprint for every attack and every defense. Hackers map out their targets looking for digital doors and windows. Ethical hackers do the same, but to protect, not exploit. They think like criminals to find weaknesses first. Reconnaissance is about connecting dots. Job postings reveal tech stacks. Interviews hint at future plans. It's not random, it's strategic and creative. By seeing what an attacker sees, ethical hackers can shine a light on hidden vulnerabilities. This perspective lets organizations fix problems before they're exploited. The goal? Remove the element of surprise. Make it harder for attackers to blend in. Reconnaissance is the foundation of a strong defense. It's about being proactive, not reactive. That's how you stop attacks before they start. How do hackers and defenders gather information? Two ways: passive and active reconnaissance. Passive reconnaissance is silent, no contact with the target. It's Google searches, social media, public records. Hackers scan websites, blogs, press releases, and LinkedIn for clues. They learn about technology, people, and routines without raising alarms. Active reconnaissance is direct. Now, you're interacting with the target systems, scanning networks for open ports, sending probes to servers. This can be detected. It's riskier, but reveals deeper technical details. Think of passive as watching from afar, active as testing the locks. Ethical hackers use both, but start passive to avoid detection. Active techniques come next, mapping out defenses and finding real weaknesses. Each method has its place. The best defenders know when to be invisible and when to probe. It's a careful balance. The goal: gather enough intelligence to secure the system before someone else does. That's how you stay one step ahead. The key to reconnaissance is using the right tools and methods. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is about finding valuable information that's already public. Advanced Google searches, social media sleuthing, and public documents are all fair game. Tools like Maltego visualize connections between people, companies, and websites. They turn scattered clues into a clear map of relationships. For active reconnaissance, vulnerability scanners like Nessus or OpenVAS check networks for weaknesses. They find outdated software, open ports, and misconfigurations. But not everything is automated. Manual investigation matters too. Sometimes it's analyzing a mobile app. Sometimes it's observing a building's security. Even discarded documents can reveal secrets. The best ethical hackers combine powerful software with creative detective work. They see what others miss. That's how they uncover hidden risks. So, how does all this help us protect ourselves? Simple. Once you know what attackers see, you can change the picture. Ethical hackers use reconnaissance to build a roadmap for defense. Organizations must clean up their digital footprint, review public info, train employees, and fix vulnerabilities fast. That whiteboard in a photo? A lesson in awareness. Policies should limit what's shared online. Individuals need to be mindful too. Think before posting, use strong passwords, and watch for suspicious emails. Most attacks start with information you didn't realize you gave away. Mastering reconnaissance means preventing problems, not just reacting to them. It's the foundation of proactive security. By seeing through a hacker's eyes, we can all build safer digital spaces. Awareness is the first step. It all starts with knowing what you look like from the outside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.